How to play Bench Boost in Fantasy Premier League. Playing Bench Boost in Fantasy Premier League is very simple. Firstly, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your device. Make sure that you are signed in or logged in to your account. At the very bottom panel, you should see different kind of tabs. Click on the Fantasy tab and here select the option Pick Team. Then you will land to this interface. Now at the very top panel, you should see options such as Bench Boost, Triple Captain and many more. Here as you can see, Bench Boost is available. Click on it and you will get a description like this which you can read. Select Play Chip to activate Bench Boost. Now you can start playing the game. You can cancel this Bench Boost anytime. Simply click on the option and select the option Cancel Chip to cancel it. If it says unavailable, that means you cannot use it. If this interface is not showing or lagging, then make sure to check for updates. Go back to your home page and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Now go to the search bar and search for FPL. Look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available, then update the app. So that's all for today. Thank you.